This is the Kospet TANK X series of smartwatches. Greetings and welcome to smartwatchtix.com. Thought we'd do a quick video to compare last year's Tank X1 with the two new Tank X2 and X2 Ultras introduced by Kospet in 2024. The X1 was revolutionary, breaking boundaries, the first one like this in a nice little rectangular band, wider and better size screen than many of the fitness bands, and hardened to a MIL standard spec, 15 different categories to make it really survivable, basically in any environment. Then improvements came along, right? And the Tank X2 was released. And this one, very similar overall, but it's wider, as you can tell. It's got the same two buttons on the side, a lot of the same capabilities, but just a bit better overall quality to it. Superseding this one, but pretty much identical to the X2, is the X2 Ultra. You really can't tell the difference between the two of them. There's a color difference because I got two different colors, but otherwise they would look really the same. The bodies are identical. It's the insides that set this one apart. This has a GPS module in it, and because of that, a lot of your sporting activities like walking and running and so forth will tie into GPS. It will acquire it, turn green, and then you'll start accumulating a track inside of the watch. Beyond that, you'll have ability to use that track that you put in to trace your route back or do a straight line track back to where you came from, and it uses a built-in compass dial pointer to help you out with that. Really amazing technology with that. In addition to GPS, the Tank X2 Ultra incorporates the compass I was talking about that actually has a full-fledged compass you can see on it, and barometric pressure and altitude features are supported as well. Oh, and the X2 and X2 Ultra add Bluetooth calling and music streaming on the watches beyond what the Tank X1. No speakers, no microphone in this one. All in all, the three watches are really great. It's just a matter of what are you looking for. Ladies, those with thinner wrists, I would recommend checking out the X1. It's a very nice watch for the value. For a little bit more money and a newer technology, the X2 is fine. If you really don't need the GPS modules and compass and everything, you're fine with getting all your biometric readings and such, this is great, and in a price point between these, so that those of you who are really looking for the top-of-the-line flagship can work with the X2 Ultra to get all of those extra features. Anyway you cut it, it's a great watch and a really nice deliverable from Kospet. And in the show notes, I got links to the buying information for all of them and their reviews. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you again soon.